Hi family and friends, let's cook some short ribs in the oven. Hi family and friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nicole, and today I have some, what are these, short ribs or ribs they cut in half, something different for dinner. So I went ahead and washed these real good with lime and lemon, and I took off the silver skin that was like right in here of the bones and everything. So what I'm going to season these with is 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, paprika, black pepper, Mrs. Dash, and some salt. I'm gonna Today I have a lot of moving parts going, so let me put these away. I already measured everything out, and I have everything here in this bowl. I'm gonna mix everything up with my hands. And then these are going to go in the oven. Usually I will boil them and then put them on the grill, but I'm not in the mood for the grill today. I have a lot, like I said, I have a lot of moving parts going today, and I just want to save time and use my time well today. So and then these are going to go in the oven. They're going to sit and marinate for a good little bit today, probably about 2 hours. So that is good for me. And then they're going to go in the oven at 400 degrees until nice and tender. Okay. Let it sit for about, like I said, maybe about 2 hours. Marinate. Then it's gonna go in the oven at 400 degrees until tender. So that's how it's looking, nice and seasoned. Season your meat. All right, I'll be back. Okay, family and friends. Oh my gosh, I apologize in advance again because, like I said earlier, I had a lot of moving parts. I have a lot of stuff going on today. Today's Sunday, getting ready for the week, and I went ahead and put these ribs in the oven, and I recorded. But it's okay. I'm gonna check it now. It's been in here about an hour. What time is it? What time is it? Yeah, it's been in here about an hour, a little over an hour, somewhere around there. I didn't much check the time. And I put it on 350. I put it on 350 instead of 400 because I put it in way earlier than I had anticipated to put it in for. And I didn't even much put barbecue sauce on it or anything. So that's how they're looking. Okay, let me get a fork. Oh Lord. Okay, so let me get my light out of the way. This is how they're looking. Tender, nice and tender. I am going to taste it. Can cook more. So they're not that tender. They're not as tender as I want them to be. But do taste good, the door. Some of it is tender, as you can see, but it can go a little bit more. Yeah. It can go a little bit more. See, that one just came off the bone. The bone just came right out. So, $3.50. I'm not in no rush. I still have more stuff going around in the house. I have some rice steaming over here. I have my husband meat is finished. This. What else I have to do in the kitchen? That's it. Steam some rice. This and my husband meat is done. I think my daughter gonna get potato salad to go with this. I'm just gonna have rice and probably some veg, or maybe just some veg in this. Yeah. So this is gonna go back in the oven. Maybe another 30 minutes because it's 3 o'clock now. So I'm gonna put it back in here for about till 3:30. Let me sauce it. So I have some, I don't know if y'all do this. I do. If I have barbecue sauce that I'm almost done with, I just go ahead and mix them. This is Berman's barbecue sauce, Memphis style. And then I have some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. That Berman's, I got it from who is that? Aldi. I got that from Aldi. So I'm gonna put them together in one bowl because they're almost done. Taking up space in my fridge is dang parent. Oh shit. Hold on, y'all. I'm done. Okay. So both of them together in a bowl. Mixy. And just, it don't matter. I even have, let's see. I still have some of the grease, the oil at the bottom of this container. It's fine. I'm gonna even put this on, broil anyway. I'm gonna need some more for this saucy. I'm making a mess. Oh. And I ain't got no more. Y'all pick this up. This is really good with that Sweet Ray. Really good. Some water to it, baby. I need to remember that. Add some water. Mix it all together because it's a little bit of consistency. Oh, that's good. Ew. There you go. Okay, so this is going back into the oven for another 30 minutes, and then when it's done, I'm gonna show you guys. That's how it's looking. All right, good looking. Okay, family and friends, dinner is served. You have my ribs, short ribs in the oven with a hint of barbecue sauce. I hope you guys like this recipe. Give it a try, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and all of the good stuff. Comment, like, share, everything. And I hope you guys are protecting yourself and your loved ones. And until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. You guys be safe. Bye.